Hello. Good day to my future employers. My name is Jenaline L. Brondial. I am 33 years old. I am single mother. I have one daughter. I work in Philippines as a domestic helper for 7 years. My reason for leaving, I look forward for my new opportunities. As of now, I working here in Hong Kong. I served my employer start from February 2023 and my contract will be finished on February 2025. I can do all household chores and I want to work alone. My preferred job are taking care of elderly if they can speak English, taking care of adults taking care of pets, and taking care of teenagers. Thank you so much, and please check my profile in Helper Library app.